Hey guys, so a lot of time as a business, you would want to have a look at your pipeline so that you are able to forecast the revenue which could come in the upcoming months. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to create a report on HubSpot which shows you your current pipeline. So to do that, you need to go to the reporting tab and click on reports. Over here, click create report, create a custom report, and next. So your pipeline details will normally be under deals. So as a primary data source, we'll select deals over here and click on next. So now we are over here where we are going to create this report. So I'll go to filters, and what I'd filter this out with would be deal stage. So if I click over here and select deal stage, now when it comes to pipeline, I just want to have a look at the pipeline which could close. So for this, we would need to eliminate the deals which have already been marked as either closed won or closed lost. So if I click on deal stage and I'll just click is none of and lost or won. Okay. And click on apply. So now I'll have all of the deals which populate over here and which are not closed won or closed lost, which are open deals, which have the probability of closing. There's one more filter which I'd put over here. So for example, if I'm doing it for a specific year, say for example, I'm doing this for the year 2024. So I can filter it out by close date. So close date in HubSpot is basically the date by which a deal should probably close. So if I select close date and I'll click close date. Okay, close date is between. I'll type in 01/2024. Okay, so this is for the year 2024 and I'll click apply over here. So now what we've done is we've eliminated all of the closed won and closed lost deals and only focusing on the deals which can close in the year 2024. I'll come to configure over here, and now what I'll do is at my x-axis I'll bring in the amount of days. I'll bring in the close date because that's what we are seeing, that what is the pipeline for this particular year. So I'll bring in close date to my y-axis and I'll bring in the count of deals to my x-axis. And over here now, if you see, all of these deals are the ones which have the probability of closing in 2024 and which are none of closed won or closed lost. Okay, I could go one step ahead also into this. I can go to chart settings, and if I have a specific number, a goal which has been already assigned, say for example, I have to bring in at least 8 deals every month. So I can put in a monthly goal, which is 8 deals, and it will show me it'll draw this line over here and it will exactly show me the number of months in which I've exceeded my quota of goals. So that's one way in which we can have the number of deals. Now, say for example, you want to gauge your pipeline in terms of dollar value and not number of deals. So that's very simple as well. So for that, what I need to do is the close date will remain as is, and instead of count of deals, I will bring in amount. Okay. So now when you see, this will give me the values in terms of the dollar value which is attached to it. Say for example, I have a revenue goal attributed here as well. I can just go to settings and over here I can put in something like 50,000. And now if you see, it gives me the number of months in which I've exceeded this target and all of these details. So that's how you do it. That's how you create a report which showcases your pipeline for a specific time period. And you can do it like I showed you in terms of the number of deals or in terms of the dollar value as well. So that's how it's done. Hope this helps. Thank you.